Okay, hello everyone. Grade 11 Functions, Chapter 4, Section 4.3, Working with Rational Exponents. Okay, so let's start with an example. We have the fourth root of 18 multiplied by the fourth root of 9, all divided by fourth root of 2. So let's take these radicals and turn them into rational exponents. So we start with that radicand 18. The root is 4, so that becomes the denominator in the exponent. And there's an invisible exponent 1 on each of these radicals. And that invisible exponent 1 becomes the numerator. So the fourth root of 18 can be converted to a power with a rational exponent of 18 to the exponent 1 over 4. 18 to the exponent 1 over 4. Okay, so that's the first one converted. Next, let's convert the fourth root of 9. So that becomes base 9 to the exponent 1 over 4. And this is all being divided by base 2 to the exponent 1 over 4. Okay, so we are going to simplify this quotient that has a product of two radicals being multiplied in the numerator and then being divided by another radical, the fourth root of 2. And we're going to simplify and simplify and simplify, and we're going to convert to rational exponents, which will allow us to further simplify, which will allow us to evaluate in the end and express either as a single power or evaluated. And by converting to rational exponents, it makes us easier to do that. So let's continue. Our next step is to take base 18 and let's open that up. Let's expand it. Let's factor 18 as 2 times 9. So that base 18, which is 2 times 9, is all to the exponent 1 over 4. We still have the other base 9 to the exponent 1 over 4, and it is all still being divided by 2 to the exponent 1 over 4. Excellent. Now we can use some other exponent rules, and we can bring in that exponent 1 over 4 into the brackets, and we're going to have 2 to the 1 over 4 times 9 to the 1 over 4, and we just expanded and raised the base 18, or now the base 2 times 9 to the exponent 1 over 4. So it becomes 2 to the 1/4 and 9 to the 1/4. There remains a 9 to the 1/4, and there remains a 2 to the 1/4 in the denominator. So now I think you might see where this is heading. This 2 to the 1/4 divided by this 2 to the 1/4 cancels out. And we're left with 9 to the 1/4 times 9 to the 1/4. And since we have powers that are being multiplied with the same base, we can add the exponents, and that becomes 9 to the 1 over 2. And we have expressed this initial question as a single power in rational form. And then we're going to evaluate it, and 9 to the 1/2 can be converted back to a radical as the square root of 9, which becomes 3. So if we evaluate, the answer is 3. If we express as a single power in rational form, we have 9 to the 1/2. And this question comes out of the 11U Functions textbook by Nelson. It's on page 229. I'll write this up at the top, page 229, and it is number 4D. And thank you for listening to that explanation on how to write this initial question as a single power in rational form and then to evaluate it. Hope that helps. Take care. Have a great day. You guys are awesome.